and today we're gonna read Daily from Doozie. Mickey, Donald, and Donald's nephews work at Grandma Duck's dairy farm. They were taking care of her cow while she was on vacation. Mickey read Grandma's instructions for taking care of the cow. I know all of that, Donald said, walking towards the pasture. The friends need to lead the cow to the barn. One cow and calf didn't want to leave the pasture, so Donald tried to get their attention. This must be Rosie and her calf, said Mickey. Grandma mentioned them in her instruction. The instruction said to take Rosie's calf to the bar and give it a bottle. Donald tried to lead the calf, but Rosie blocked the way. Donald pushed and shoved Rosie, but she wouldn't budge. Soon Rosie was so mad at Donald that she chased him while Mickey and the boys happily fed the calf. After escaping Rosie, Donald joined Mickey and the boys as they gave the cow a bath. Whoever heard of a washing a cow, said Donald. Donald tried milking Rosie, but milk sprayed all over him. Taking care of cow was harder than Donald thought. Later, Grandma Duck came home. She missed her cow too much to go on vacation. I hope I never have to see another cow again, grumbled Donald. That's too bad, said Grandma Duck. Grandma Duck gave each of them a chocolate shape like a cow. Bye, friends.